Hello, my name is Flat Stanley. One day I was flattened by a bulletin board. I wanted to go on a trip, so my family folded me up and mailed me to the state of Nevada. Today I am visiting the Great Hoover Dam. This dam is a structure made of concrete that holds back a river. In this case, it's the Colorado River, and creates a big lake called Lake Mead. The dam is 726 feet tall, 660 feet thick at the base, and 45 feet wide at the top of the dam. There's enough concrete in this dam to build a two-lane road from east to west of the United States. The purpose of the dam is to provide electricity to Arizona, California, and Nevada, and to prevent floods. The Hoover Dam is 171 feet taller than the Washington Monument in Washington, D.C. This is the Hoover Dam Bypass Bridge. It was built in 2010. This allows traffic to go into Arizona without having to cross the Hoover Dam. This is where the mascot, the little dog of the dam, is buried. He was the favorite of all of the dam workers back when they were building the dam. His gravesite is right over here. See, boys and girls? It's windy up here at the dam. That's why I don't have my hat on. Hi, this is me, Flat Stanley. I am at the Winged Figures of the Republic, a famous bronze sculpture that was placed at Hoover Dam to commemorate the time that it was built. Boys and girls, don't get this close to the edge of the dam. It is a long way down. See how the wind is blowing? Hold on tight. This is a view of the Hoover Dam Bypass Bridge. This is the electricity work down below the dam. This area supplies electricity for Southern California, Arizona, and Las Vegas. Again, you must be careful up here because the wind could blow me off the dam.
There we go. Hey, now I see. Okay, now, yeah, this will be better. You have to share this with me. Yeah, now we're talking.
These are two of the 4 intake towers at the dam. These towers bring water into the dam to run the electrical generators. Electricity is produced to provide lights for Las Vegas, Arizona, and California. Over here, this white line represents what we call a bathtub ring. The reason why it's there is that the lake is well below its normal level. Oh no, that's incredible.
Where's yours from?
Washington, D.C.
Chicago.
That's incredible to run into somebody like that.
Oh, I like yours better.
So this is Flat Stanley at Hoover Dam. I had a great time. Don't you wish you were here?